Hello guys, so today's video is going to be very interesting and it's going to be life-changing. But quickly before I jump into the topic of today, I would literally really like you to watch the entire video and give me a comment about your thoughts and your feedback about the whole thing that I'm about to talk about. So again guys, today's video is going to really change your life if you're really so serious about changing your current situation towards being more rich or rich and autonomous. So today's video is going to talk about 5 golden rules to having access to the secrets, to the cave, to getting rich and just getting more money into your pockets. But let me ask you something first. I mean, have you ever asked yourself, how do people become rich? Why the rich get more rich or richer? These might seem to you very basic and simple questions, but let me tell you something actually that's really gonna blow your mind. They're indeed they're just so simple questions with very simple answers that we most of the time just overlook and just take for granted. Today likely we're going to give very simple answers to these questions and show you that if you follow these 5 golden rules, you're gonna literally thank me later on, because these rules are not only going to make you actually rich, but trust me, they're gonna change your life completely and make you a better individual with a sharp vision about the purpose of life in general. Now, what is our first golden rule? So the first golden rule is gonna be manifest your thoughts. You're probably like, oh wait, I do know that one. I mean, you might really know this rule, but maybe you have never practiced it, right or effectively. The law of attraction is definitely the most essential rule to getting rich and getting what you want. But a lot of people think that just by manifesting their thoughts, about money, for example, that's all they need to really get money. But that is actually completely and so fucking completely wrong. It takes way more than that to get rich. You gotta think of the law of attraction as an activator, to all the hard work that you do towards, meeting your goals. So the law of attraction on its own is nothing. In fact, it won't buy you shit, honestly, if that's all you do in your life. Go and try for thousands of years and see that at the end of the day, trophies are not won by wishing. You gotta get your ass to work very hard and consistently. Then and only actually then you're going to see that manifesting your thoughts is not a joke, and that actually the law of attraction really works. The second golden rules, guys, is build discipline, or build your discipline. That's very important. I mean, listen very carefully. If you lack discipline, then you gotta fucking forget something called success. I mean, success is a fucking journey that needs solid discipline, especially when it comes to consistency and making the right choices in your lifespan. Don't expect yourself to build wealth and your work pattern is so irregular, to the point that you can't even actually keep track of it, because that just does not really make any sense. If you truly want to be rich, then you gotta ground your ass and discipline your life in terms of spending, work consistency, clubbing, all that shit that's going to just keep you distracted from what you need to focus on in order to achieve your goals. The third rule, guys, is embrace your failure. This is a very important rule in your journey of success. Whenever I talk about failure and its importance to success in general, I just love to bring Zig Ziglar's quote that says this: failure is a detour, not a dead-end street. Trust me, go read about any successful person's life and you'll find out that they've all failed at some point in their lifespan. You would be so surprised that some of them have failed miserably. Trust me, the more you fail, the closer you are to achieve your goals. If you quit, then how do you fucking know what your future holds for you if you probably kept trying? Fail and try to fail more, because then, you learn, and once you achieve your goals, it would be extremely hard not to keep yourself getting richer and more successful as an individual and, even in terms of money. The fourth one, guys, so take an introvert approach when it comes, to achieving your goals or trying to work towards your goals. And, so many people are very extroverted or extroverted, about ways they want to take, to get rich and kind of just realize their dreams and stuff. But this is a fucking huge mistake for so many reasons. And let me tell you one important thing that you should practice religiously, actually. Whatever you do, it should primarily be about yourself as an individual. It should not be for anybody else, period. You literally do not need to prove anything to anybody, because this would fuck you up eventually, especially if your plans fail, for example. And this is why, just being introvert about what you need to do, to better your financial situation is very essential and, an important key to never actually giving up at all. All right, so the last rule, guys, is, surround yourself with people that are actually better than you in so many aspects. This very rule right here is very essential because, humans constantly learn. It's just like human nature. And, if you want to learn something good or, better, then you need to fucking surround yourself with people that are going to help you just with that. I literally don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit what you think. But if you surround yourself with losers, crap, and pessimistic people, then that is exactly either who you fucking are or that is who you are going to be. You are who you fucking walk with, period. The funny thing is, negativity is so strong and just so fucking much stronger than positivity. If we have two people, for example, one, let's say, with so many positive thoughts and ideas, and the other one, his life or her life is nothing but negativity. Who do you fucking think would more likely affect the other? Well, congrats, you fucking guessed it right, bro. Negativity would eventually win over positivity. And for this fucking particular reason, you gotta fucking surround yourself with positive people and people who are better than you in so many fucking aspects, period. All right, guys, so we reached the end of this video, and trust me, if you make these fucking rules your religion, you are going to achieve your goals very, very easily and change, who you are as a person in terms of so many aspects. Now, before you leave, please, subscribe and do tell me in a comment below which of these rules you think is most important, when it comes to, just building wealth in general. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.